The Alila Jabal Akhdar is located 2 hours from the capital city of Muscat in Oman. Before we dive in, please give this video a like and consider subscribing. The drive is pretty easy and you'll need a 4x4 to get up to the hotel. There is actually a security check to make sure your vehicle is 4x4 before proceeding. Once I arrived, I was sat down and given some Arabic coffee as well as some dates to complete the check-in process. I used a Hyatt Suite Upgrade certificate to confirm me a Jabal Terrace suite in advance. When you enter the room, you'll see an espresso coffee machine and then the fridge and glassware is located below. In the center of the room, there's a nice king-size bed and it's very comfy. To the left, there's a closet. It's pretty spacious with lots of room to hang things and some drawers to put your stuff in. There's a decent sized desk in the corner of the room if you need to get some work done. Once we enter the bathroom, there's a towel rack, we got the scale, and then there's this huge soaking tub that overlooks the mountains. There's a dual vanity with some more water that's refreshed daily as well. You can also request as many as you like. Over here we have the toilet and there's also a bidet in there as well. And then the shower with the rainfall head. If we take a look outside here, we have the balcony. It's actually a decent size, and then it has an amazing view of the Jabal Akhdar Mountains. The staff later brought in a nice welcome amenity of fresh fruit and some chocolates. Outside is the massive terrace with more amazing views. It also comes with a small table, some lounge chairs, and a day bed to relax on. There's this pretty cool viewpoint that overlooks the property in the mountains. It's amazing to see this type of luxurious property this high up in the mountains. The lower level by the main pool had plenty of lounge chairs to relax at and was never busy. The main pool is the centerpiece of the property and was even heated, which is perfect during the cooler temps at this altitude. The Rose Lounge was a small, intimate area with a nice bar in the back. They offered a free mocktail class, so I decided to take them up on it. It was surprisingly more fun than I anticipated. Juniper is the restaurant open for breakfast and dinner. Each breakfast started with some fresh bread and cheeses, as well as a fruit plate. I also got a cappuccino and fresh squeezed juice daily. Over the course of my stay, I tried many dishes like the Indian omelet, French toast, spicy eggs, and crepes. Dinner started with delicious warm bread every night as well. This soup doesn't look appetizing, but it was quite tasty. I also had this seafood platter and lamb chops, which were both great. Let me know in the comments below if this is somewhere you'd like to go.